what was wrong was that I was not strategizing for this exam. So we come from a certain background and we have a habit of studying that way. But UPSC in itself is a very different exam. And the demands of this exam are very different from the demands of other exams that we face in our education system. So for that you must understand the exam first, and this is the mistake that I did. I did not understand the exam. I just started studying whatever was available, whatever I saw in Topper Talks and everything, and I did not take out time for myself to start thinking about it. So that was definitely demotivating, but I think every failure is a lesson in itself, and if you don't know failure, you will never know success.
Okay, so but I'll be specific.
Yes.
So to differentiate this Topper Talk from
Yes.
the others,
Yes.
I would like to know exactly what you mean in practical terms, understanding this exam. And so what exactly it is, how this exam it is different from our traditional education system, and what were the loopholes which you identified in your strategy earlier, and how did you overcome them? So the students, they know that, okay, Apala has mentioned that strategize, but students, they want to know that, okay, exactly how, or so that they do not commit that mistake.
Definitely, sir. So I begin by saying that this exam is of a dynamic nature. While in other exams, for example, our college exams or our school exams, we can memorize stuff and then we can reproduce it on our answer sheets. But here we have to apply the knowledge that we have gained from reading across the spectrum. So for that, firstly, we must begin by knowing at what level do we actually stand. Not everyone has the same path in this examination. Everyone enters at a different level. So you need to know your own level. You need not be fooled by certain aspects. For example, you should not fool yourself saying that you can clear this exam in 1 month. You should know how much time would you require, and for that you have to take the help of the syllabus. You need to start reading the basic books. Don't think that you can skip the NCRTs. You have to read everything. You have to understand everything, and then you have to make a plan for your own self that will suit you and no one else.